So now let's see how we can go ahead and change around the preferences of your Notion account. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto your profile section and then go around onto settings. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that by default preferences actually opens up, and the appearance right now is use system settings. But I can also enable the dark mode of Notion, as you can see right here, or choose the light mode right here as well. If I were to use system settings, then depending on what I have set for my system, whether be it dark or light, it'll actually show that out. Over here in the language and time, you can see that the language right now chosen is English, but I can go ahead and choose another language that I like as well, just like this. So let's say, for example, if I were to choose Japanese and then click on update right here, then what happens is that now my preference is in Japanese language. Well, let me just go around and change that out over here. So this is in preference, as you can see right here. So let me just go ahead and change that out into English. And once you do that, you can see that now it is back into English right here. So this is what you have, and you can see that the start week is you can set the start week to Monday as well if you want to, and you can also set the time zone automatically, or you can go ahead and change the time zone as you like as well. So apart from that, if you have the desktop app installed, then you can open up the links in desktop app. So if you were to click on any link, it'll open up the desktop app instead. And you can also open up like certain things like last visited page right here, or you can open up the home page as Notion starts. You can go around with the privacy settings, so you can add different cookies settings for your site and choose what you want to save. And you can also record your browser, your view history, or don't record it right here. And you can also make your profile discoverable, or you can keep it private by using this option as well. So this is how you can go ahead and work around with the preferences inside of your Notion for your Notion account. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.